Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I'm going to do an experiment tonight with ratios of paint, not pouring medium. So what I decided to do was go black, white, and blue. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 part white, 1 part blue, half a part black. Estimated because, you know, I'm eyeballing it. So this one needs about 2 to 3 ounces, probably 2 ounces with the deep sides. But I'm gonna just kind of eyeball this. Put about that much white. I think I had a lump in there, or 2. That much blue. That much black. That might not even be half a part. Should have had little shot glasses over here or something, but I didn't. So, the black is not falling through. We'll see how this goes. I did not put any silicone in this. I would like to get some lacing. Maybe some cells of some type. But, we'll see. I didn't make it super thin, but it's not super thick either. Got lacing right here. Lacing and stuff up here. I'm going to lose some of that if I don't stretch it that way first. Ooh, deep sides are always a problem. I like these little canvases, but it takes more than you might think in the way of paint. So I hope I have enough. If not, I might just have to go around and paint the sides somehow. I'm afraid I don't have enough. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to mix up another cup. Right in the same one. It's not a true experiment now because I've jinked it up. That's too much black. Who me? Look at that. Down that side. Over on that side. This is not something I would normally do, but I'm going to. Because I'd rather have something on the sides than nothing. Remember, it's your painting. You can do however you want to. You don't have to just follow everybody's videos. Not even mine, not mine for sure. I'm just here to give suggestions. Oh, you might want to try this. See what happens. See how it turns out. Oops, I missed this corner over here. Not perfect, but oh well. Ooh, I got a blue popping up through there right there. What am I gonna do here now? I really hate to even mess with it because it's going to stretch all this out, and this is already stretched out. But I don't like that big blob of black there either. What to do? What to do? What about popping some bubbles? See if we get some more blue popping through in that black. Maybe it'll come on up. So the colors in this one are Artist Loft White and Artist Loft Blue, Black. And the blue is Apple Barrel Caribbean, no silicone, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, distilled water to thin it a little bit, and it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I don't particularly care for these big blops right here. If I knew for sure that there was more blue under there, maybe I'll do it anyway. This is the Lifespan brand treadmill oil. It's very light. See if there's any blue under there to pop through. Yes, there is. I thought this would be a fast video. Silly me. Ooh, that looks so cool. That one too. This is gorgeous. And this is that Caribbean. Okay, I'm going to take the camera down and give you all a close-up. And we'll wait a few minutes, and if it changes a whole lot right in here, then I'll do a little short follow-up and let you see it. It's coming up right there in this little area right here. I just saw a bubble come through. So, pretty. Looks like flowers. Maybe I'll do another drop right there. That was a big drop. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera down and show it to you. Okay, so all I did was take time enough to go around and look at all my corners and do a little repair on my sides and my corners. And while I was doing that, I got flowers. So this stuff is amazing. I love this painting. It is so unique. I totally love this color. I've got some other colors of blues mixed up. I'm going to do some more of these little 6x6s in 3 other shades of blue. I don't think any of them is going to be any prettier than this one. I don't see how it could be. So I totally love it. Especially that one right there, because it was white and blue in those under the treadmill silicone. I'm so glad I dripped it on there. Just one little drop. But I got lacing, I got cells. One side. Not perfect up there, but, and then, I don't know if you can see this one because it's dark back here, but this one has lacing on it. That one has lacing on it. Has a little drip right here that ran over that looks kind of cool. And then the other side is over there. So where the white kind of went over, it's kind of blah, but it'll do. So that's how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for 3 others with 3 other colors. So thanks for watching.